Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So my name is Nora Khairin Imtiran binti Hamzah. Tidal Katbanai and I'm from a grade. So have you ever heard of an Apple brand maker named Steve Jobs? Well, here I will be shadowing his speech. I dropped out of college after the first 6 months, but I stayed around as a drop-in for another 18 months before I real quit. So why did I drop out? The story actually began before I was born. My biological mother was a young undergraduate student who decided to put me up for adoption. She felt very strongly that she should be adopted by a college graduate. So everything was all set for me to be adopted at the birth by a lawyer and his wife. Except that when I pop up, they decide at the last minute that they really want a girl. So my parents, who were waiting list, got a call in the middle of the night asking, "We have an unexpected baby boy. Do you want him?" And they said, "Of course." My biological mother found out later that my mother had never graduated from college and that my father had never graduated from high school. Steve Jobs was an out-of-the-box person. He dropped out of college, but instead learned unique things like calligraphy, which later made Mac design cool. He started Apple from his garage with his friend Wood. He was fired from his own company, but he got up, met Pixar and Next, then returned to Apple and broke a revolution like iMac, iPod, iPhone, iPad. Stay hungry, stay foolish. This iconic closing line is inspired by the World Earth catalog. Urge graduates to remain curious, adventurous, and open to new possibilities. Fun fact about Steve Jobs. At the first, Apple is not from his favorite apple. The name Apple was chosen because Jobs liked to eat apples, and he had just returned from an apple farm at the time. Second, the first iPhone almost didn't exist. When making the iPhone, the Apple team had doubts. The screen was early damaged. The technology wasn't ready yet. But Jobs persisted, and the result, revolution the teach world. And the third, calligraphy Apple design. After dropping out, he took a calligraphy class. That knowledge became the basis of fun and layout design on the Mac. Without it, today's computers probably wouldn't look as beautiful as they do now. Life isn't always about who is the fastest, the smartest, or the richest. Many of the many of the great people we see today were once down, once disregarded, once misguided. Steve Jobs, he dropped out of college, didn't have much money, only slept on the floor of his friend's room, ate for free at temples, and walked long distance just to eat well. But he had one thing, curiosity, and that's what he pursued. He learned strange things like calligraphy, which at the time seems pointless. But who would have thought it become the basis of the design in Macintosh? And eventually, changed the way we look at the technology. He started Apple from his parents' garage, not from a fancy office, not from big inventors, just an idea, passion, and the courage to make something different. But the funny thing is, when the company got bigger, he got fired from his company. Now, this point, most people would have given up, feeling like a failure, ashamed, and lost. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to don't be give up. Thank you for your nice attention. Sorry if I have many mistakes. Lastly, I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.